Hi guys, good afternoon everyone. Welcome back with the last puzzle for today on Easter Monday. Yes, it's Easter Monday, April Fool's Day. Yes, April the 1st. And today we have no newspaper. It's the second Easter day. And I've told you I will solve the rest of the puzzles of the weekend edition of Saturday, Sunday, March the 30th and the 31st, 2024. And I've already solved in this additional two puzzles, the letter Sudoku and the 2-star Sudoku. So now it's time for the Jigsaw Sudoku number 8289. 8289. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 20 printed digits. Should be an easy one, because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 20, double those numbers. It's indicated with 1 star. For 1-star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, maybe it's a 0 stars, and for a 0 stars puzzle, I need to be faster than 14, maybe 13 minutes. We'll see if this is a 1-star or a 0 stars puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see here 1 dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes with 1 and a 2. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? I see only 1 triple box contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, this box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there, and the 3 could be everywhere. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, is always 4 or a 5. Same for the other side. This box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. Well, it can be 5. We have a 5 there, so this box should be a 4 then. Alright. Next question, do we have here quadrat boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. I see here 1 quadrat box. Well, those numbers could be everywhere. My next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. We have more of these kind of shapes here, another one but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 5 here. And the next shape, how about this Z construction? Let me draw this Z construction. When you see the Z construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 or a 2. But it can be a 2. We have a 2 here. So this box should be a 1. Is connected with that box, should be so 1. So 1 box left in this dual box for number 2. Alright. But also, that box has the same number as this box. Okay, so that box has the same number as this box. So right, the Z construction, only one of this kind of shape in this puzzle. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 4 and a 5. 4 or a 5. But we already have a 5 here in the same area, so it can be 5 anymore. This box should be a 4. Is connected with that box should be also a 4. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No. And the following shape, how about the L shape? We have the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box, oh, this is the wrong box. Well. This is not the correct box. The L shape, this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2 here. Alright. We have more L shapes? Yeah. Rotated. This box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize. No. We have another L shape here. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 5 here. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. 1 box left in this L shape for number 3. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left with 3 in this triple box should be there. And I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this triple box for number 2. 2 numbers left in this L shape for numbers 1 and the 3. 1 and the 3, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4 is connected with that box, should be also a 4. This box can be 2, that box can be 2, so 1 box left with a 2 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 3. 1 and 3, we have 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, that box can be a 3, so 1 box left with a 3 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left with a 1 in this L-shaped area should be there. Then let me see. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left with a 3 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left with a 1 in this area should be here. Then this box can be 2, this box can be 3, so the 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3, so 1 digit left in this Z construction for number 5. 2 numbers left in this area for number 4 and the 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also 2 or a 3. This box can be 1, that box can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 2, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers, no, this box can be 1, that box can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. 2 and 5, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 5 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be so 2. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for number 5. This box can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be so a 3. 1 box left in this Z construction for number 2. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 1 goes there. Alright. Then, let me see. These 2, no. This box can be 4, and that box can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left for the numbers 1 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. I think this box should be a 2 because can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there, so 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. Okay, that means that this box in this quadra box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3. We have a double 3 there. Can be a 4. We have a double 4 there. Yes, definitely a 1. This box can be 3, that box can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this quadra box should be there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 4. And the final 2 numbers in this quadra box for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes. Well, told you, should be a 0 stars. Cannot be a 1 star. And we solved it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow, Tuesday. So have a great and fantastic Easter Monday, the second Easter day. Yeah, until then, bye-bye for now.